Strap in because today we're unearthing a hidden financial gem that's been waiting just for you. The Logix Credit Union. This isn't just a secret, it's your next big financial move, and here's the shocker. Anyone can join. Are you ready to unlock this treasure? Let's dive in together. Logix Credit Union is a gym that's been serving its members with fantastic credit card options and a host of financial services. Whether you live in California, Arizona, Washington, D.C., Florida, Maryland, Massachusetts, Maine, Nevada, New Hampshire, Texas, or Virginia, you're eligible to join. And if you're not in those states, don't worry, don't click off. You can simply join the American Consumer Council at no cost when signing up for a membership at Logix. Customers raved about their Logix MasterCards, calling them a no-brainer. They may not have big rewards or miles, but they don't punish you for things like non-use. Plus, they're a great backup for overdraft protection and offer a low rate when you need it. Let's talk about the Platinum Rewards MasterCard. This card is a game changer. It offers a 0% introductory APR for the first 6 months on purchases. Plus, you can earn up to 3 points on each purchase, redeemable for cashbacks, gifts, and more. And the cherry on the top, no annual fees. Next up, the Platinum MasterCard. This card gives you more spending power with a 0% introductory APR for the first 6 months on purchases. It offers low monthly payments with a variable rate as low as 13.49% APR. Plus, it has no foreign transaction fees, making it perfect for those who travel. Before you rush to apply, let's talk about the credit scores and what you need. Logix pulls from Equifax for credit products, so it's best to have a minimum of a 650 Equifax FICO score. They also use the check system, so please make sure you have a good check system report. I even have a video on how you can actually check your check systems and ensure you do have a good check system report. So make sure you click that video in the description, or you can actually click the card on the right side of your screen at the top so that you can actually go to that video. But don't worry, they're generous with credit increases after 6 months of holding the credit card. Okay, so that's a really good thing. So let's talk about the history of Logix and who they are. So did you know that Logix has a rich history? Founded as the Lockheed Aircraft Employees Federal Credit Union in 1937, it has always been a source of pride for its members. Although it officially became Logix in 2012, its historic ties would always be a part of its legacy. So there you have it. The Logix Credit Union is a hidden gem that's waiting to be discovered, which is a fantastic credit card option and a host of other financial services. It's a secret weapon you need in your financial arsenal. And like I said, the best part is anyone can join. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and discover the treasure that Logix Credit Union offers. Thanks for joining me on this financial adventure with this credit union. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 100,000 credit cousins. So turn on that notification so you never miss an episode from me. Until next time, stay savvy, stay financially smart, credit cousins. Bye.